Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phoenix in Valorant. Phoenix is a fiery duelist, perfect for players who enjoy aggressive entry and self-sufficiency. His unique kit allows him to create space, heal himself, and secure kills. We will cover his core abilities: Hot Hands, Blaze, Curveball, and his ultimate, Run It Back. Understanding how these work together is key to dominating the battlefield and leading your team to victory. Let's dive into his powerful toolkit. Phoenix's Hot Hands is a versatile ability, creating a damaging or healing zone with a 5-meter radius. Throw it to clear corners or heal yourself for 50 health over 3 seconds. Blaze deploys a firewall, blocking vision and dealing 30 damage per second to enemies. Use it to block enemy sightlines, split sights, or even heal yourself by walking through it. These abilities are crucial for controlling space and sustaining yourself in engagements. Curveball is Phoenix's signature flash, bending around corners to blind enemies for 1.1 seconds. It has a 15-meter range and can be curved left or right. The key is to use it unpredictably, bouncing it off walls to catch opponents off guard. Always flash for your teammates or yourself before peeking. Mastering its trajectory will allow you to secure crucial entry frags and clear tight angles effectively, giving your team a significant advantage. Phoenix's ultimate, Run It Back, is a game changer. It creates a temporary clone at a marked location for 10 seconds. If your clone is destroyed or the time expires, you respawn at your original mark with full health. This ability allows for incredibly aggressive plays, letting you push sites, gather information, or bait enemy utility without risk. Use it to overwhelm defenders or secure a crucial plant, knowing you have a second chance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.